These rain barrels have been one of the best investments for our garden. We bought them a few years ago and they're still holding up perfectly through all kinds of extreme Texas weather. We set them up under our downspouts, and every good rain fills them up with water that we use for our garden, fruit trees, and flower beds. I love being able to fill up the watering cans and buckets without turning on the hose, especially during drought seasons when every drop matters. These are made from durable recycled plastic, so they are built to last, and they have a flat back design, so it fits perfectly up against the side of our house and matches with our downspouts. It looks really nice against the house, and it doesn't take up that much space. They also have an overflow valve, an easy spigot for filling buckets, and they even come with the link kit to connect both barrels together. Setup was really easy, and once they're in place, you don't have to do any maintenance on them at all. Honestly, they give me such peace of mind knowing we're collecting and saving water instead of letting it go to waste. So if you garden, grow fruit trees, or you just want a more sustainable setup, these are absolutely worth it.